This short Filipino grammar lesson is about the Tagalog subject markers SI and SINA, which are only used for people. These markers have no direct English translation, so they are something unique to the Filipino language. SI is a singular subject marker, more specifically, a singular person who is the subject or topic of a Tagalog sentence. SI is always followed by a person's name, which is a proper noun. So remember that the pattern is always SI plus person's name. SI person's name. Here are 3 examples of the SI plus person's name pattern. Si Riza, si Mariz, si Henry. Again, si is placed before the name of a person, just one person. Let's talk about the marker SINA. SINA is used for plural subjects, so the pattern is SINA plus the names of 2 or more people. SINA plus people's names. Since there are 2 or more people used as the topic of a sentence, the Tagalog word at, which means and, is always used with SINA, as in SINA A at B. SINA A at B, meaning A and B. Here's a couple of examples of the SINA A at B pattern. SINA Jack at Jill. SINA Jack at Jill, meaning Jack and Jill. SINA Pepe, Pilar at Tommy. SINA Pepe, Pilar at Tommy, meaning Pepe, Pilar, and Tommy. Let's use SI and SINA in a sentence. Maganda si Ana. Maganda si Ana, meaning Anna is pretty. Doktor si Rick. Doktor si Rick. Rick is a doctor. Magkaibigan sina Rick at Ana. Magkaibigan sina Rick at Ana. Rick and Anna are friends. Kilala mo ba si Vincent? Kilala mo ba si Vincent? Do you know Vincent? Nandyan ba si Haru? Nandyan ba si Haru? Is Haru there? Naglalaro ng ping-pong sina Ahmad at Jovi. Naglalaro ng ping-pong sina Ahmad at Jovi. Ahmad and Jovi are playing table tennis. Taga saan si Pierre? Taga saan si Pierre? Where is Pierre from? Kumain na ba si Victor? Kumain na ba si Victor? Has Victor eaten yet? Pupunta sa Japan sina Grant, Dinah, at Sammy para magbakasyon. Pupunta sa Japan sina Grant, Dinah, at Sammy para magbakasyon. Grant, Dinah, and Sammy are going to Japan for vacation. Imbitahin mo Sina, Malone at Adrian. Imbitahin mo sina Malone at Adrian. Invite Malone and Adrian. Tawagan mo nga si Umar. Tawagan mo nga si Umar. Give Umar a call. Laging nag-aaway sina Nat at Krishna. Laging nag-aaway sina Nat at Krishna. Nat and Krishna are always fighting. Ako nga pala si Carl. This expression is usually used when you've been talking to someone you've just met and then you realized that you haven't introduced yourself yet. Ako nga pala si Carl. Oh, by the way, I'm Carl. Bumili ba ng tsokolate si Vaclav? Bumili ba ng tsokolate si Vaclav? Did Vaclav buy some chocolates? Pwede ko bang makausap si Thomas? Pwede ko bang makausap si Thomas? Can I talk to Thomas? Wala si Tetsuo rito ngayon. Wala si Tetsuo rito ngayon. Tetsuo is not here right now. Babalik sina Zaid at Joel sa Pilipinas sa susunod na taon. Babalik sina Zaid at Joel sa Pilipinas sa susunod na taon. Zaid and Joel are going back to the Philippines next year. Bubuo ng banda sina Marlene, Nadia, at Veronica. Bubuo ng banda sina Marlene, Nadia, at Veronica. Marlene, Nadia, and Veronica will form a band. Nag-uusap sina Jocelyn at Rowena. Nag-uusap sina Jocelyn at Rowena. Jocelyn and Rowena are talking. Nagpipitsa sina Martin at Chelsea. Nagpipitsa sina Martin at Chelsea. Martin and Chelsea are having a pizza. Balita ko, nagpakasal na sina Ben at Jennifer. Balita ko, nagpakasal na sina Ben at Jennifer. I heard that Ben and Jennifer got married. Walang anak sina Shrek at Fiona. Walang anak sina Shrek at Fiona. Shrek and Fiona have no children. Ngumiti si Dong. Ngumiti si Dong. Dong smiled. Darating ba si Maricel? Darating ba si Maricel? Is Maricel coming? Hindi ko nakita sa mall si Philip. Hindi ko nakita sa mall si Philip. I didn't see Philip at the mall. Si Yasin ba ang bunso o si Luba? Si Yasin bang bunso o si Luba? Is Yasin the youngest or Luba? Naaawa si Margie kay Mickey. Naaawa si Margie kay Mickey. Margie feels sorry for Mickey. Okay, so that's everything for this lesson. Thanks very much for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Talk to Me in Tagalog if you haven't already. Maraming salamat po!